Nifty ended lower in yesterday's trade for the second straight day, as volatility and pessimism continued to be the hallmark of the trading session. Our call of the day: Nifty risks of a 3-day losing streak. A gloomy trading day lies ahead. Pessimism is set to outweigh optimism. The two biggest negative catalysts. 1. Rupee weakness. The Indian rupee extended its losing streak for the fourth consecutive session, with USD INR climbing toward 91.45, adding macro stress and dampening sentiment. 2. Relentless foreign outflows. Continued FII selling amid lingering US-India trade frictions, further dampening on domestic equities. The street's bullish hope hinges on the possibility of at least one more interest rate cut by the US Federal Reserve next year. Bottom line, the near-term trade setup remains clouded by pessimism and bearish sentiment, with limited triggers to lift market mood. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In yesterday's volatile session, FII turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2,382 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 1,078 crores. Risky sentiments are likely to prevail for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals suggest overbought conditions and massive corrective declines. FANO December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,500 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has slipped near 10.07 levels. At last check, USD/INR, December, was trading near the 91.08 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 1.05 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 0.76. Nifty Outlook. Nifty Outlook. Not every session can be an up day, but the key negative is Nifty slipping decisively away from its all-time highs. Expect upside to remain capped on sharp rallies, with sentiment staying cautious. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 25,860. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,693 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 26,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,700 and 26,000. Bias for the day is negative. Sensex, CMP 84,860. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed at 84,100 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 85,300 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 84,000 and 85,000. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 59,035. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 58,300 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 59,551 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 58,300 and 59,300. Bias for the day is negative. Stock market news. The economic data points to a cooling U.S. labor market. The U.S. economy added 64,000 jobs in November, above expectations of 50,000, while the unemployment rate unexpectedly rose to 4.6%, its highest since 2021. All eyes now turn to the November U.S. CPI data, which will be crucial in shaping expectations around the Fed's future rate path. Long story short, there appears to be little room for Nifty and frontline stocks to reignite the much-anticipated year-end rally from here. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Shares of Axis Bank slid 5.12% after reports suggested a delay in net interest margin (NIM) recovery, raising concerns over near-term earnings momentum amid higher funding costs and slower repricing of deposits. 2. Ethanol tumbled 4.67% on heavy volumes, hitting a 5-month low, as investors booked profits after a strong rally earlier this year and reassessed valuations amid regulatory and macro uncertainties. Sentiment has further weakened after Blinkit CEO Albinder Dhindsassa cautioned that India's quick commerce boom may be nearing a tipping point. 3. Vedant's stock price surged 4.2% after NCLT approved its demerger plan, allowing the conglomerate to split into multiple sector-focused entities. The ruling clears way for Vedant's vast operations to split into 5 separate units, of which 4 will focus on aluminum, power, oil and gas, and iron ore, respectively.